There's another condition called secondary porphyrin dumping, and it usually shows up with anger, anxiety, nausea, tremulousness, someone who's nervous all the time, people with OCD, and it disrupts your life, and it can be debilitating. And this condition is identified by a very inexpensive urine test, and porphyrins are a breakdown product of red blood cells. So red blood cells repopulate every 90 to 120 days. When they go to the liver to be broken down, these porphyrin rings are removed. If you can't break them down because your body is overloaded with toxins, or you're struggling with a condition called chronic inflammatory response syndrome, we need to clear those porphyrins out of the body. It's treated very simply with a naturally occurring sugar, activated charcoal, and an herb called milk thistle. And so we want to get people together, explain what it is, clear those porphyrins, and then we can move on to work with them to get all the other body systems functioning.